Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the NEOS controller, a recent addition to the world of Nintendo Switch accessories. This controller promises a blend of retro aesthetics and modern functionality, but does it deliver? Let's find out. The NEOS is marketed as a compact, versatile controller compatible not only with the Nintendo Switch but also with PC, smart TVs, and mobile devices. Its standout feature is its customizable design, offering options like remappable back buttons and adjustable trigger sensitivity. The NEOS catches attention with its retro-inspired design, especially in the classic clear variant we have here. The translucent shell reveals the inner workings, reminiscent of classic gaming hardware from the 90s. Despite its unique design, the face buttons feel a bit flimsy compared to the overall build quality, which is sturdy and ergonomic. Straight out of the box, setting up the NEOS is a breeze. It connects seamlessly via Bluetooth or a Type-C cable for wired use. During my testing, I found the controller responsive with good tactile feedback. It includes essential features like rumble and motion controls, crucial for enhancing gameplay on titles like The Legend of Zelda and Splatoon 3. To truly unlock its potential, the NEOS relies on its companion app. Here, you can fine-tune sensitivity settings, adjust dead zones, and even update firmware. This level of customization is impressive for a controller in this price range, making it adaptable to various gaming styles and preferences. Battery life is another strong suit of the NEOS, lasting around 8.5 hours on a single charge during my extensive testing period. This endurance is ideal for long gaming sessions and compares favorably to other controllers in its class. When stacked against competitors like the 8-bit Do Ultimate and Game Sur Nova, the NEOS holds its ground with a compelling blend of features, affordability, and design appeal. While slightly cheaper options exist, they often compromise on build quality or customization options. Should you buy the NEOS? If you're looking for a well-rounded, customizable controller that performs admirably across multiple platforms including Nintendo Switch and PC, the NEOS is a solid choice. Its retro-inspired design and ergonomic build make it a standout in the crowded controller market, despite minor drawbacks. That wraps up our in-depth review of the NEOS controller. If you've enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product critiques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.